life, ain't nothing come of it. I've been struggling my whole life, I'm tired of it. But you're too focused on the motherfucking money, bro. But you don't know the feeling of having nothing when you're coming up. So when I get it, you're damn right, I fucking spin it. Drop 100 on some foreign seats, about to go and rent it. I'm working hard for the things that I have. Ambition running too fast, I couldn't keep up a class. So do I drop out or just sit there and just watch my dream pass? This is my chances, it's a test, I pray to God that I pass. Money couldn't change me, though it all remains the same me. They don't get where I'm coming from, all they focus on
existence, the physical universe, is basically playful. There is no necessity for it whatsoever. It isn't going anywhere. That is to say, it doesn't have some destination that it ought to arrive at. But it is best understood by analogy with the music.
Came up from the mud, all I think about the ceiling. I keep it running up, all I'm gonna do is win again. Money in my drug, and I think it's gonna be my end. Alcohol keep me tipsy, sipping whiskey. Drugs make me feel like I'm whipping in a 10-speed. She got a party, bitch, that don't impress me. Parties were the reason I was sleeping on the money. Ain't it funny how they all see it? These children watch the rappers pumping up and wanna be it. Hang around the town where everybody knew the gangs. Where it sold a couple grams, now I'm thinking of gangs. But it's all good, yeah, it's all new. It was just weed, fuck, now it's coke too. Money got him stuck in the cell, he eating cold food.
Start button. Start. Let's look at the terms. Checking for additional language content. Not checked. I have read and agreed. Not checked. I have read and agreed. Not checked. Terms. Not.
Alright, y'all get the drift. This is the Galaxy A50 from Xfinity Mobile. And I'm just going to go ahead and start this up, and we'll continue on with the unboxing. Alright, so as you can see, the in-display fingerprint sensor for the Galaxy A50. You have a massive 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which is Samsung's display technology that they've been using for quite a few years now on the Galaxy line. It's also used on the Apple iPhones because Samsung provides Apple with their Super AMOLED technology. Beautiful, beautiful screens. Even on this 1080p output, it's really gorgeous. I'm coming from the Galaxy S8, and can't really tell the difference with the resolution drop here from 1440p. But it still looks pretty nice. The colors are really, really beautiful. And I've watched other reviewers mention that even side to side with the Galaxy S10 Plus, this display is, still stands out. It's really gorgeous. So you have a USB Type-C on the bottom with the microphone, and of course the speaker grill. One speaker on this device, volume rocker on the right hand side, and a lock button. And a volume rocker is a little unusual to be on the right hand side, so that's going to be some getting used to for me. Top, you just have a microphone. Left hand side, you just have the SIM tray with the micro SD tray. This phone is expandable to 512 gigabytes with that micro SD. There's only one SIM in this SIM tray, not a dual SIM, because this is the CDMA version. So this is only on Xfinity Mobile, Sprint, and Verizon Wireless. Recently, this phone did come out, I believe, the end of March, and it was pretty much only GSM, which is global, like T-Mobile, AT&T and whatnot. And other than that, though, you have a nice 25 megapixel camera there, and that's what gives you that notch. As I mentioned, it looks pretty good. And on the back, the phone itself is made out of plastic. It's really a high-graded plastic because it looks beautiful. You can't even tell that it's plastic, in my opinion. Even feeling it, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I know maybe other reviewers mentioned it feels cheap, but it doesn't really seem that bad. Coming from the Galaxy S8, you can't really tell the difference between the painted aluminum and this color, or this material. Other than that, though, I will be dropping a full review on the channel soon. Here's a quick look of the specs of this device. This is the GSM version, mind you. But again, 6.4-inch 1080p display, Android Pie. You get a Exynos Samsung processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, fast charging, 15 watts, and you get those 3 cameras. Roughly 23 hours of talk time, but it may differ from this version. You do not get the dual SIM. Not sure about the quad band, but yeah, that's kind of like the details there. So there you go. I will be doing a full review shortly on this channel. Again, it's actually 4 gigabytes of RAM, not 6. So I'll be doing a full review of this phone shortly. You can grab it on Xfinity Mobile. I was actually one of the few that pre-ordered this device on Xfinity Mobile, and this is probably the first unboxing of this device on Xfinity Mobile. So definitely, if you have Xfinity, look into their website, www.xfinity.com/mobile. If you don't have Xfinity Mobile and you're subscribed to the internet service, you are able to get Xfinity Mobile for free. You just have to pay taxes, and that's unlimited talk and text only that you get for free. You can also go with their full data plan, which is $45 a month for unlimited data, which is pretty neat. Up to 5 lines on each account. So on this line, I have unlimited data, up to 20 gigabytes of 4G LTE. Streaming is only 480p, which is, you know, every carrier does that. Other than that, again, drop a like, subscribe, hit me up in the comments if you have any questions, and keep in touch because I will have that full review coming out shortly, and as well as some nice cases here. So yeah, definitely keep in touch. And also follow Trace and Mellow. Trace is a YouTuber who recently came out with a lot of music for the album Bipolar, and it's an astounding album. I love it. Follow them. I'll drop a link in the description below, as well as link in the song list. Again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, drop that like.